I don't know if you can see those stars up there in the sky. This is subdivision, 6:30 in the morning. It's clear as a bell. And it is, some of the people are up. Sunday, just after Christmas. 26 degrees this morning. I don't know what it's supposed to get up to after a while, but yeah. I guess I earned my name today. Frosty for sure. But sun's coming up. He'll come up down in that direction there. I can still see getting a little bit daylight. Beautiful, beautiful morning. I love it when it's crisp and cold like this. But not everybody does. It's frosty, guys, and I know it's dark, but I just had to, I was standing out here outside my garage and just figured I'd whip on a video.